Hello and welcome to our lesson for Foundations for Algebra, Unit 1B, Lesson 7. Today, scholars will recognize arithmetic sequences as functions. Arithmetic sequences. So, what is an arithmetic sequence? So, it is simply a series of numbers where each term increases or decreases by the same amount. For example, 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. You can see this sequence, we just simply add 5 each time. So these are the terms. We have the first term is our 3, our second term is our 2, our third term is our 13, and you can see what they are. So what about this series? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. When I look at this series, I can very easily tell what the next number would be. The next number would just be 64. But if I look at what's happening on this series, here I increase by 2, here I increase by 4, here I increase by 8, here I increase by 16, so it is not an arithmetic sequence because it does not increase by the same amount. Finally, what about this one? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I know the next number would be 24. Here I'm simply adding 4 to each term. So the number that it increases or decreases by is called the common difference. Last one, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. This one is not an arithmetic sequence because 1 to 3 is an increase of 2, 2 to 3 to 6 is an increase of 3, 6 to 10 is an increase of 4, 10 to 15 is an increase of 5. I can tell that I would increase by 6 next, but it's still not an arithmetic sequence. So now we're going to determine if the sequence is arithmetic. If it is, we're going to find the common difference. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's look at this first one. It is negative 30, negative 40, negative 10, negative 60. So I can tell that I am decreasing by 10 each time. So this is an arithmetic sequence. The common difference, we call it D, is negative 10. What about this next one? 4, negative 4, negative 14, negative 24. Here I go down by 8. Here I go down by 10. Here I go down by 10. So this is not arithmetic. Okay, let's get one more. And this one's sort of a challenge. Here I have 1/6, 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, 5/6. Okay, so first thing we have to do is figure out if they have a common difference. To figure it out, we take the second number, so we do 1/3 minus 1/6. If you guys remember working with your fractions, 1/3 has to change, so it'll be 2/6 minus 1/6 equals 1/6. So the difference here, we take the second number minus the first number. So second minus the first term to get 1/6. So now we can check to see if that's the same thing again. So I'm going to do the third term, 1/2, minus second term, 1/3. Well, in order to subtract these, I need to change them to have the same denominator. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So I'm going to have 6 as my denominator. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. So I do, this is 3/6. This is 2/6. Well, 3/6 minus 2/6 is 1/6. I can do the same thing. I can do 2/3 minus 1/2. I can keep checking the numbers. So all I can do is take the next number and subtract the one before it. Once again, 6 are our common unit, so I have 4/6 minus 3/6 gives me 1/6. So this one is, it is a common arithmetic sequence, and my common difference, or D, is 1/6. Okay, take some time and make sure that you can do your classwork. Have a great day. See you in class.